Good afternoon, guys. It's a brand new day. May delivery na naman tayo sa Shopee. Kakarating lang. Shopee Package Express. Kita? Okay. Ito is for the cycling. Yung pad. 3D padded. Gel padded. Ito naman, ang brand nito, X Tiger Cycling 3D gel padded. Dito para sa yung parang cycling. Unbox natin. Stuff. Okay, this is it. Tiger cycling apparel ito, pero ito ay cycling gel padded para po hindi masakit pag nagbike ikaw, hindi masakit sa upuan. So let's open this one. Oh, Tiger, good. Whoa, nice. May gels. Okay? So, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.